sit back, relax, and let's continue our journey into the Matrix. To understand the potential of human power, we must unlock the secrets of bioelectricity. Bioelectricity, in essence, is the electrical energy generated within our bodies. Now you might be wondering, how does our body produce electricity? Well, it all comes down to the fundamental building blocks of life: cells. Each cell in our body is akin to a tiny battery, with a small voltage across its membrane. This is created by differences in concentrations of charged particles, or ions, inside and outside the cell. When a nerve impulse is triggered, a wave of electrical activity sweeps down the nerve fiber. This is bioelectricity in action, the very force that controls our heartbeat, stimulates our muscles, and allows us to think and feel. Now, let's talk numbers. Estimates suggest that the human body, with its trillions of cells, can theoretically produce around 100 watts of power. That's equivalent to a bright incandescent light bulb. But before you start imagining yourself lighting up a room, hold on. The truth is, most of this energy isn't readily available for us to tap into. It's used up by our bodies, fueling the countless biological processes that keep us alive and kicking. In fact, the energy we could feasibly extract is closer to a few dozen milliwatts. That's about enough to power a dim LED light. So, we're not quite walking power plants. We can't single-handedly run a microwave or a television set, yet the energy we do produce is crucial. It's the spark of life, the electrical symphony that orchestrates our every movement, thought, and sensation. We're not quite power plants, are we? But what if we could harness all that energy? We've established the energy we produce, but how can we harvest it? Well, let's delve into the captivating world of energy harvesting. Imagine a world where the electricity powering your home appliances is derived from the very essence of your existence, your body's energy. Sounds like a plot straight out of a science fiction movie, right? But what if I told you that the science behind this concept is not as far-fetched as it seems? Energy harvesting, or energy scavenging, is a process that captures small amounts of energy that would otherwise be lost as heat, light, sound, vibration, or movement. We can harness this energy through various theoretical technologies, each uniquely fascinating. Let's take a look at a couple of them. First up, we have thermoelectric generators. They work on the principle of the Seebeck effect, named after the German physicist Thomas Johann Seebeck. In simple terms, these generators produce electricity by exploiting the temperature difference between two different materials. Now, picture this. Humans are warm-blooded creatures. We're constantly radiating heat, right? So, theoretically, we could use thermoelectric generators to convert our body heat into electricity. Next, we have piezoelectric materials. This is a big word, I know, but stick with me. These materials generate an electric charge in response to applied mechanical stress.